We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty collapsible wagon. List number 1. Max Sports WPP 100 Utility Wagon Outdoor. Extra large wheels for hauling gear to the beach, outdoor sporting events, concerts, picnics in the park, and around the house, or using it as a shopping cart at places where shopping carts are not available, such as the farmer's market, shopping outlet, and many more. Adjustable telescoping handle provides an easy control of the cart as well as the design of the push handle. It also includes 2 mesh cup holders and a mesh pouch for light storage use. Mesh pouch dimension 19.75, LX 6.3, WX 6.25, H. List number 2. PA Utility Pull Wagon Cart Heavy Duty Collapsible Wagon. PA Collapsible Wagon folds to only 7 thick. Folded size approx 26x19x7. Weights 18.3 lb. The size for wagon body that can hold up items is 24x18x11. This is a small cute wagon cart for children, women or men who has weakness in strength. It won't take up too much space in the trunk of your car. Surprise yourself with our fold-up wagon, which collapses down extremely compact in just seconds. Just open the handle, expand the frame, then hang both sides to the frame. List number 3. Moonland's Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart. The folding wagon comes with heavy-duty 6.3x 3.9 thick wide solid wheels. This collapsible wagon has adjustable telescoping handle for effortless transport and provides an easy control on most terrains. Very compact when folded for carry-on handle for easy portable. All-terrain collapsible folding outdoor wagon cart has internal pull rope design. It can be folded in seconds. No need to install. Easy to operate and transport. With a compact design, this thing folds into a mini size that you can simply fold it with one hand. It is convenient to be stored at home. List number 4. Rome ESS Folding Wagon Cart Heavy Duty. This collapsible utility wagon is a must-have in your daily life. Haul everything you need for sporting, camping, vacations, and backyard work with a folding wagon. The sturdy steel frame is collapsible and folds up for easy storage. Its extendable handle and heavy-duty wheels make it easy to carry flour, tents, groceries, and other items from your car to the garden, campsite, and store. The folding wagon also included 4 mesh pockets on the outside, so you can keep your water bottle, snacks, and other items within easy reach as you move. List number 5. Vidoy Folding Wagon Cart Heavy Duty. Made of heavy-duty iron frame, the structure welded is absolutely solid and durable. The surface of the metal frame is anti-oxidation and corrosion resistant, and it will not fade and rust when used outdoors for a long time. With cup holders and side pockets, 30% more interior volume and extra space for your larger carrying needs. 6.69 inches in diameter and 4 inches wide wheels that can rotate 360 degrees for easier maneuvering. Wide wheels with bearings are the most important factor for beach so they don't sink into the sand. They are big enough to go up over multiple terrains.